Hey everyone, welcome to another live stream of Second Breakfast. Here's Ruchi. This live stream is going to be pre-recorded. It's not our usual live stream. So we are going to pre-record this and then upload it on YouTube and premiere it. And we will hang around in the chat. So if you're watching this during the premiere, say hi in the chat, please.
Yeah. The
Uh,
reason why we are pre-recording this is because the internet here in the mountains where we are is very flaky, so we can't do a live stream. And
yeah,
that's why
we have barely have any connection here, which is good because that's the reason you come here. We are in this place called Hobbitenango. I think in Spanish or especially in Guatemala, Tanango means the land of. So this is the land of hobbits. A few people got together and decided to create a land of hobbits. It looks like the Shire from the books of Lord of the Rings or the movies. There's a whole village modeled around Lord of the Rings over there. Now I wanted to show you guys the place where we stayed for the night. These people also have built two casitas, which in Spanish is like little houses in the style of hobbits. Here's one, but this is where we stayed for the night. It has great views. It's so cute because it looks like basically hobbits live here. So we lived like hobbits last night. We would love to live more. We'd love to stay here more for a couple of more days because there's no internet connection and you can just zone off coming here. And her name is what is her name, Ruchi? Sondra.
I saw that.
This is Sondra. She comes free with the stay. Yes. She's been hanging out with us through the night, coming, and she's such a sweet dog. It's the dog belongs to the what I don't think you can call this a resort, but the area, the Hobbitenango people. It's a guard dog, but it's so she is so nice for a guard dog. Okay, shall we go in?
Yes.
Ruchi, please do the honors and open the door. But she, oh, sorry. Okay, yeah, the houses have the doors have the typical hobbit style, which is the round style and low ceiling. As you can see, that's the roof, and the house kind of molds into the side of the mountain here. So it's kind of integrated with the nature around, and it looks so cute with this pathway. And Ruchi and Sondra. Okay, let's check this out. From the outside, it looks like this with a small window over there, and there's some succulents over here. It's so cute how they modeled the whole place. Okay, enough talking outside. Oh, and the tiles is like a Spanish or Portuguese style. This one is called La Casita del Nido. That's the casa number 1. This is the casa number 2. There have 3 of them. The other one is down there. Sondra says bye to us, or it's going to go to the sun and said no, she's going. Okay, let's go in. So this is so cute inside. Because of the low ceiling, you can see that the ceiling is made with wood planks, which are laid circular with beams radiating out of the center, which is that. And then there are a few lights hanging down, and then there's fake bird cages with fake birds in it. It's cute though, yeah. Because it adds so much color to the space. Then there's the bed. It's very cozy, and it's a working fireplace which was turned on yesterday. Lit, that's the right word. You don't turn on a fireplace, you lit the fireplace. This was the first time we have ever stayed in a place which had a live fireplace. We have stayed in places which has fake.
No, we have stayed in places with fireplaces, but we didn't need to turn them on.
Yeah, it was cold in the night, so we had to turn it on. This is a little nook where you can just sit and read, I guess, or work. if you don't need internet, this is a great place to work,
Yeah.
right? To zone off and everything. They have used the bottles from those fancy water Pellegrino to make this flower pot happen. Are they real flowers, Ruchi?
No.
They're not real. But there is real flower in this house. There's some real flowers here. Sondra is back, by the way. She does that. And then there's some bells hanging there. They're real bells. You can actually ring them. Nothing happens if you ring them, though. Like, let's try. Oh, okay. No, it didn't have that big of an effect, which I thought in my head. And they have radio, using which you can contact the staff. This is the first time I used a radio. I always wanted to use the radio. There's like a 12-channel radio here. I learned how to use it yesterday. We ordered food. Room service is using the radio. But the best part is the views of the place. You are included in the view, Ruchi.
I'm in the view.
Yeah. The windows are in the same shape as the door. That's how it is in Hobbits and in Lord of the Rings. But the views, the views you get is amazing. So you get the view of all the 3 volcanoes around Antigua. That's which is on the left, which is covered in the clouds, is Volcán de Agua, and that's where Antigua is. And those 2 are Volcán de Fuego, volcano of fire, because every 5 minutes it will puff out or blurt out some smoke. And then the one beside that is Acatenango. Usually that's what people come to climb. As you can see, these are huge volcanoes. So it takes like 6 hours to climb that. Oh, you can see Fuego is off.
There he goes, right on cue.
Right on cue. Every 2 or 3 minutes there's a puff of smoke.
Yeah.
Lazo the volcano is smoking,
Yeah.
which technically it is. But you can climb up the Acatenango, the volcano beside Fuego, to see the smoke and I think lava also from that. But that's a 6-hour trek to go up. But that's one of the activities which people do when they come here. And then we have that's the bathroom. As you can see, this is the fireplace. There's a nice guardrail here. It was very nice and cozy yesterday night. And they have they have put a bunch of firewood here also, if you want to keep it going. There is no internet, but there is electricity. You can charge everything you want. And yes, the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. It's a very heavy door. There you go. It's a huge bathroom. There's also a shower. I didn't shower. Ruchi, how was the shower?
Yeah, it was nice. And then bathroom window.
And from the bathroom window also you can see the volcanoes, and it has an amazing view. While you're sitting on the potty, you look at the volcanoes. It's a pretty amazing view for a bathroom, right?
Yeah.
And again, like it has that rustic feel of everything made with wood. And they have these are local dolls. We are yet to explore these, in the sense that yet to know more about these, but we see this everywhere in Antigua. These, and there are colorful masks which are there everywhere in Antigua. And we can step out and we have our own little backyard. We just finished breakfast. Oh, hola Sandra. So this is the view you get when you sit and have breakfast. Isn't this amazing? It's great in the mornings. In the evenings it starts to get like cold, so it's hard to sit here. But apparently in the summertime, the evenings are beautiful and the sunsets are beautiful here. I can imagine that, having a view like this and sunsets. I'll link the website of this place in the description. They have photos of how it looks during sunset if everything was clear. Now there's so much mist and clouds, you don't even see the volcanoes during sunset. But it's a great place to come, and then it's a great place to come to disconnect. And if you have like some work which you need to do which doesn't require internet, this is the best place to come and like zone out and finish it. I think that's what we did yesterday. We had some work which didn't require internet connection, so we had a lot of fun staying here. So breakfast, we had these mini pancakes. They look like hobbit pancakes because they're small. Looks like size is appropriate for hobbits. And what was this?
Like a fruit bowl.
It was a fruit bowl with yogurt, and this was like oats in milk but sweet. The arroz con leche but avena con leche.
Like porridge.
Yeah. This is why she comes here, not for us. That's her water bowl. Right, Sondra? Sondra? So the last thing which we wanted to share with you guys is that we have a special association with this place because it's Lord of the Rings themed. Our channel name, as you guys know, is Second Breakfast, which is a reference to the books in which hobbits want the second breakfast. So that's where the name of the blog and the YouTube channel comes from. So this was so on brand for us, so we had to come here and stay. This whole experience costs about $140 and it's pretty popular, so it's very difficult to get a booking. We had to wait a long time to get a booking going. We came here before. If you follow us on Instagram, we posted pictures from the whole Shire kind of village up there. You can come and hang here. A lot of people don't stay here, they just come and hang for the day and go. There are restaurants and stuff which you can enjoy, which we'll show you in the next live stream. But this is the casa where we stayed. It's, as I was saying, it's $140, but I think for COVID and stuff we got it for $70. The entrance fee to this park, the whole park, is about 100 quetzal, which is like 50 quetzal per person, which is like $7-8. So that comes free with this, and the breakfast is free included in the $70. So if this is $70, even if it's $140, it's a great experience to come and stay here. Let's see if we can go on top of the house. That's the other casita. They have a backyard also like that. Don't want to disturb them. So that's the chimney for the fireplace. There's a pig on top. Don't know why the pig is, but it's so cute. And there's some turkey models and succulents on top. It's so cute. The whole place is so cute, right? So what do you guys think? If you come here, would you stay here? How many of you are like Lord of the Rings fans? We would love to know in the comments or the chat. Let us know. And she stole some bread. From where?
From the breakfast.
She usually doesn't like go for the food herself unless it's given to her. She's very well trained.
But she just went for it.
I think she is hungry.
Yeah.
So that's it for this live stream, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you like the casita where we are staying. Let's do another little round before we go. It's the cute entrance, and we go inside. Look at the dog. Look at the views. Chill on the bed. In the fire. We will post a video of us in the night here on Instagram. So if you don't follow us on Instagram, please go follow us on Instagram to see that. That's the view. Thanks for joining us. Bye.